Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our very first presentation assembly this morning. We're starting this morning with our nursery presentation assembly for all those children working really hard this half term, all 7 weeks. And it has been an amazing 7 weeks. And you'll see in a moment all these brilliant children have been working so hard and becoming so independent in our nursery. Come on, let's start off. Let's have a look at them. Here we go. Look at these mathematicians. Look at these guys. Look at the smiles on their faces. So we've got Max, we've got Sebastian, Bella, Jack and Elliot. These are our maths stars. Today they'll be going home with their maths certificates. The absolute superstars have been working so hard on their maths, writing their numbers, writing those really clearly and working so hard in maths throughout this half term. Well done guys, and everyone will be giving you a big cheer and a big clap now as well. So well done. Moving on. Understanding the world. Look at these. Look again. Lots of really smiley faces from these nursery children. Amelia, Maya, Jensen, Nella and Ruben. Look at you guys. Well done. Amazing. Getting these certificates again. Understanding the world. Really having a good understanding of the world and everything around them and how things work and how things develop. This fantastic, these children. And again, being so independent and really smiley with it as well. Always important for Mr. Allen as well. So, well done guys, enjoy your certificates. Moving on, reading. Look at these reading stars. Not only will these guys be coming home with the certificates, they'll be coming home with a reading book as well. It's amazing. So we've got Willow, we've got Arabella, we've got Ollie, and we've got Archie. Look at them, big smiley faces. Avid readers I know that really been loving looking at their books. They do love sharing books every single day. And I know full well their brothers and their sisters as well love sharing their books with them as well. So really well done you guys. And you'll be able to take a book home with you today with your certificates. Huge congratulations, well done. Moving on. Physical development, look at all these ones. Look at all these fit children. Being active, getting outside, running about, lots and lots. So we've got Cody, we've got Alfie, we've got Vienna, we've got Sunila and Bassam. Look at these guys, look. Absolute superstars. Again, big smiles on their faces because they're all so active. They've been really good. Running, throwing, catching, all different things that they're doing in the nursery, and they are brilliant around their physical development. So really well done guys, and keep that up, especially keep it up over half term, getting outside, enjoying the weather as well. So please do get a lot of physical activity as much as you can over this half term. Moving on, literacy. Look at these guys with their literacy. Look, Arafat, Jasmine, Ruby, Archie and Nafi. Look at these again, big smiling faces, so brilliant. These guys have been working so hard on their writing, doing all their different sounds. It's amazing to see these guys, and they're choosing to do this every day as well. Really creative with that as well. So fantastic effort. Well done guys. Enjoyed taking those certificates home today. Well done. Well done everyone. Absolutely superb, those nursery children being so independent and being amazing. And Miss Wright is so impressed with all of you over this 7 weeks. So it's really well done. I'm just really looking forward to the next 6 after half term. And you'll see we've got a week off now and we're back to school on Monday the 7th of June, right? So enjoy half term everyone. Keep it up. Keep up all that reading, keep up all that writing, the maths, everything. Just keep up all that and get outside and really enjoy the lovely weather that is coming this next week. Until next half term everyone. Bye-bye now.